Hello guys, how are you? I think you are fine. Guys, there is a marigold plant and there are many flowers in the plant and the color is and you can see there is a pond and today there is no buffaloes and or any other animal in the pond. In yesterday there was two fellows are swimming in the pond and there is a boy going to their house. This is the way. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, share my video, like my video. And today is very sunny day. You can see it's a very hot and sunny day. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel for spoken English, learn English, village vlogs, nature and entertainment and many more. And there is a sky and the crow is crowing, the crow is crying. You can see, you can listen the voice of the crow. And you can see there are many trees and there is there is a bird. You can see there is many bird and many trees and there is a sky and you can see the pond is very long, very long. You can see guys, after some time, after 2 or after 3 or 4 o'clock the buffaloes are coming into the pond and are they will swim, they will be swim in the pond. Okay guys, so guys, there you can see buffalo is coming. A man is going, okay guys, towards the buffalo. But now the man and the buffalo are hide. Okay guys, so guys, please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video. I In this video learn you I learn you English and I also, but in this time I am learning English.